Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are talking about mattresses. This is the Marley mattress from Sleep Innovations. You guys, this is an amazing mattress, and it comes at a great price. And you got options. You can do the 6-inch profile, the 10-inch, or the 12-inch. You can also get these in whatever size mattress you would like, twin, full, queen, king, whatever you need. You guys, this is great if you are like me and you get really hot when you sleep. This is amazing for those hot sleepers. It's gonna keep you nice and cool because it has this amazing gel cooling memory foam. That top layer is going to be designed specifically to keep you cool, to keep you comfortable all night long. Plus, this has got that foam memory foam all around you, so it's going to be crazy comfortable. It conforms to your body. It makes sure that you're not transferring a lot of motion from one partner to the other, or, you know, in my case, my dog jumping up and down. It's going to just give you this nice, restful sleep all night long. Plus, you know that the materials used in this mattress are going to be of the highest quality. It is CertiPUR certified, so you know it's the best of the best. It's going to be hypoallergenic, and it's going to be something that you can just trust putting, spending so much time on, putting your skin against, breathing so closely to. It's all going to be super safe and super great for you. This is made right here in the USA. It's crazy high quality, and you can buy with confidence because not only do you have that Amazon A to Z guarantee, you also get a 10-year limited warranty when you buy this mattress. That's crazy. They stand by it, so go ahead and put this in your cart. You're gonna be so happy that you did.